before we cut into this collection, I want to tell you where the inspiration for Slice of Life came from. Hi everyone, it's Charee from Graphic 45, and today I'm excited to share our latest collection, Slice of Life. When Amy and I started dreaming up Slice of Life, we weren't just thinking about fruit, we were trying to get the essence of summer into a paper collection. Amy and I grew up on a farm, and we grew up picking berries and making delicious homemade treats with what we would pick and garden. Now, even as adults, we don't have our own gardens, but we love going to farmers markets and you pick farms. So the essence of summer to us really is all this delicious bounty of fruits, making jams and canning things together. So this is our idea of summer, and we wanted to add our spin on it. Of course, we love the celebrations that summer brings together, the picnics, the gathering with friends and family. We also love the idea of these bright, summery projects. When you look at this collection, you're gonna see vibrant colors everywhere. So we've got some capri blue, green apple, pomegranate red, and banana yellow. We wanted every page of this collection to feel bright, cheerful, and full of energy. And you can see these 8.5 by 11 patterns and solids, those colors really come to life. With the 12 by 12 papers, one thing I absolutely love about these is that they are playful, but they are not limiting. So you can see you could use this signature sheet in so many different ways. Life is sweeter with you in it. Slice of life means squeeze. I'm bananas about you. So you could make a lot of different cards. There's a lot of great sentiments here. Albums also are going to be so perfect with this collection. I think you could do some really fun children's layouts here, and they'd be bright and bubbly, but also they're not limiting just to children. So it really gives you everything you're looking for. We've got these layout papers. These have been a huge hit for us since we started doing them. This collection has 2 different layout papers on this gorgeous fruit on the back side. Our mom's favorite paper of every collection are these borders. They really polish off any project, just adding some nice simple border to anything really finishes things off nicely. We've got the gorgeous pomegranates and that dot. Here's another one of those layout papers. So you can see, you can just take some of those patterns and solids, mat a photo or 3, and you're gonna have a gorgeous layout. You can see on our YouTube channel, our brand ambassadors have done some brilliant things with those layout papers already. And the ever popular journaling cards. These you just cut apart. You get 6 by 4 pieces and 4 by 3s. And then, of course, you're also going to get some patterns and solids in there. We love how this is making all your projects really come to life. You're no longer having to search for the perfect cardstock to match because it comes right in your paper collection. And then just for this collection, we have come out with these recipe cards. So you can see these are like the cut aparts, but they're going to be perfect for writing down your recipes. So when you make a recipe album, or if you're giving out some treats, bringing something to a potluck, you could give the host the recipe while you bring that. Love these. And of course, all these gorgeous papers also come in the 8 by 8 size. Everything that you see here is just sized down, so it makes it perfect for your smaller projects. Before we move on to the embellishments, we also have this gorgeous fruit and floral binder album. You can see there's some nice brass hardware on here. We've got our corners, we've got our label plate, and this nice decorative cover. And then the inside, of course, it's going to be decorative as well. And then you're going to get all of these amazing pocket pages. So you're going to get 3 different styles, and you're going to get 1, 2, 3 of each of those. So this one has 2 slots for 6x4 photos. This one's a nice combination. You're going to have 2 slots for your 3x4s and 1 for your 6x4. And then we've got my favorite page, the 4 divider of the 3x4s. So a lot there. You're going to get these divider pages. And then you're going to also get these amazing ivory plain pages. You get 9 of these, and these are a nice heavy duty ivory page. So you can really take our papers and our embellishments and have fun. And then of course, some nice reinforcement stickers and this great brass binding ring brings it all together. The embellishments come in 4 different varieties. You have the ephemera pieces, the chipboard pieces, tags, and frames, the rub-ons, and the cardstock stickers. The chipboard pieces, tags, and frames come with 34 assorted pieces. You can see they're all different sizes. We've got tags with great little sentiments, thinking of you, happy birthday. And then you're going to have larger tags and so many great frames to work with as well. Main squeeze. And then we're going to have a lot of fun little pieces that are just going to add some great dimension to your projects and really bring everything together. We've got the Slice of Life ephemera set. Here you're going to get 69 different pieces, and you can see these are going to be so usable. We've got some great little framing border pieces. We've got these little tickets, fruit and crates, berries, so cute. And then of course some really great usable sayings like celebrate and hello friend. The Slice of Life rub-ons come with a popsicle stick so you can rub everything on, and 2 great usable sheets. So you can see this sheet here has got sentiments. There's some really great imagery. So you're just going to want to fussy cut out the different pieces you want and rub those on to any surface. And then here are some great backgrounds. So these are going to be great for adding dimension to all your projects. And then the Slice of Life cardstock stickers. That comes with 2 different sheets. You can see we've got 1 sheet with these great cut out stickers, and then 1 with our essentials, our favorites, these stamps and borders. You can see these are a nice, thick, heavy duty sticker. When I look at Slice of Life, I don't just see a paper collection. I don't just see stickers. I see family memories. I see warm summery days picking berries and preserving those all in albums or with cards and sharing those with loved ones. We hope this paper collection inspires you to preserve your memories and share them with us by tagging Graphic45 on social media. If you're looking for great tutorials on how we're going to use this paper collection, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can see all of our future videos. And we thank you for joining us. And as always, Happy paper crafting.